Maka ho'okele ana o ia makahiki nei, ua ho'okele pu'i ana wa'a kaulua he e hikua puni ka pāki pika, a paia kulai na one o Hawaiʻi nei no ke kahi hanana koʻikoʻi I ko kākou ho'ola lahui ana.
I don't know of any day in my life that I've had the privilege to be in a place and in a single moment in time where there's more power in coming together than right now.
A ka nae, e nele ana ke kahi lala o ia hui ohana nei, o ia ho'i ko kākou wa'a pono ihono o ka hokulea, e ho'o mākaukau pono I ana no kona huaka inui.
The worldwide voyage, because it's very long in time and there's like 44,000 nautical miles, Hokulea has got to be safe enough and strong enough and watertight enough and stable enough and fast enough to get us around the earth.
Hundreds and hundreds of people have been coming down to help work on her and get her ready so that she's seaworthy.
Ama waho ana wa'a, ua ike pu ke kahua mokulele I ko la kou kule ana e ho'ohana I ka ike ku'una, ma o ke kahi hua ka I ho o ke iao.
It was about having something that we could celebrate in Hawaii that would welcome everybody home who live here, as well as those who are going to come here to enjoy our place. But it was a symbol that makes sure that there was respect as you walk into this place for this land and for its first peoples.
E paʻe pu ana ka leo hoʻokipa nahe mana holo e o ke kahua mokulele I mālama piha ia ma ko kākou o lala makuahine.
E ia hoi o ko a hoe a hou aku I Hawaiʻi, ko kākou momi lua ole I waina o na wahiu I loa a pau a puni ko honua.
Ua ike pu kākou I ka eha a lu'ulu'u no ka mālama ole ana o na iwi kupuna ma ka hale pule o ka waia ha'o.
We all have kupuna. Without our kupuna, we're nothing.
It will open the floodgates to all other developers to do the same. You think they were bold before, watch what's going to happen next.
A ka nae, maloko no ka pai o mau, ua puka no ke kahi hua mai ka I e mālama ana I ke kahi kupuna nui o kākou o haloa no hoi. Ma ka ho'oia ia ana o ka pila paʻiʻai, a he mau pahuhopu ko ke ia kanaka kuʻiʻai o Daniel Anthony no ka holo mua hou aku.
You can financially be rewarded. More people are going to get into it. The model's going to get refined, defined. It's going to be sort of hopefully absorbed into university curriculum, and pretty soon you'll have guys who are coming out with PhD in kuʻiʻai. Who knows? Could be.
No laila, e ho'o mau kākou I ka pahu mau ana I ko kākou lahui I luna no keia makahiki aʻe. O wau no keia o Iwalani kualiʻi ka ho'ohanohano no Oiwitv. Aloha.